So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. And do you like to draw? I do too. I have a great idea. Why don't we draw something together? Yeah! Well, what should we draw? Oh, a mermaid! That sounds pretty fun. I love mermaids. I've never seen one in real life, but they're pretty cool. Yeah, it's half human, half fish. What else could you ask for? Not a whole lot. All right, let's draw the body, which is, yeah, half fish. All right, let's go like that and do an arc line like that. Whoa, yeah! And then for the tail, there we go. Whoa! I bet this mermaid can swim super fast. Okay, now let's draw the human part. Yeah, here we go. Let's just do a little thing like that. So then we show a little section between the fish and the human. And then we need the shoulders of the mermaid. Oh, let's go in just a little bit more for the neck. And then a big circle for the head. Whoa! And then 2 small circles for the eyes. A big smiley face. Yeah, because she's so happy to be a mermaid. Whoa! And then let's go like this for the hair. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah, there we go. Whoa! What a beautiful mermaid! And then let's draw some fins for the arms. There we go. Whoa, what a beautiful mermaid. She's just hanging out in the water, swimming around, enjoying life. Well, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Activate Blippi Station! It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi!
Oh no! Debo, look how the water is carrying the frisbee far away towards that island. I wonder, why don't islands float away? You're right! Let's go ask the island and find out. I'm gonna need helicopter blades and duck feet.
Helicopter blades, duck feet, confirmed.
Activate Blippi Station. The Blippi Mobile is ready for adventure.
Oh, hello up there.
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is Debo.
Nice to meet you both. I'm Ivan.
Ivan, why don't you float away?
I think it has something to do with my bottom. Ooh, I know. Let's look underwater where my bottom is to find out. Oh, wait. I can't see down there.
You're right, Debo. It would be great if you sucked up the water so we could see the bottom better.
I can't wait to see what's down there.
Okay, Debo. Drink up. Wow! These colorful coral reefs are so beautiful! We can see so much now! And Ivan, you're way bigger than I thought!
Thanks. I'm even bigger. You're only at my belly button now, see?
Oh! Debo, can you drink up more water so we can see the bottom? Are you okay, Debo? Ivan, you have so many amazing things on you. Hey, wait, are we at the bottom now?
No, you've reached my knees. Still a bit of a way to go.
Do you think you've got one more big gulp left in you, Debo? We're so close to being able to see the bottom. Woohoo! I knew you did. You made it, Blippi! You're at my feet! Really? you be sure?
Because it tickles when you walk around!
Ivan, you're attached to the bottom of the sea. You're like a mountain.
Oh, Debo! Oh, no!
Well, that was fun. And now I have the answer to my question. Why don't islands float away? Islands don't float away because they are mountains attached to the seafloor. Upload answer, Debo. Thanks for all your help, Ivan. You rock. Hope to see you again.
Anytime. I'm here to stay. Bye-bye, Blippi!